If you want to change the background color of particular cell or particular text, we can easily do in Google Sheet. This is one of the sample Google Sheet, and here we see couple of cell data or couple of text background is different color. By default everything is white color, but for this two or for this case the background color is different. Let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to choose the cell or text which we want to change the background. For example, I want to change the background color of this cell, so I just click here to select the cell. Now we have to come to the top. It is called fill color. We just need to click here and it will be expanded. From here we have to choose a color. These are the standard color, and there are a couple of colors also there, but if you want more color you can choose the custom color. There are custom color. You can also add your own color also, but in this video I am going to choose a color like this. Color is fine. I'm going to choose this color. Once we choose the color, we just need to click here and you will see immediately that color will be applied on that background of that cell or the text which contains of that cell. The background color will be changed, and in this way we can easily change the background color of particular cell or text very easily in Google Sheet.